man. This man jumping on the bus. How a madman this? No, but no that little driver yeah. See him drive that. I worry them, I worry you know. How him do dead?
Jesus.
Oh, God. I stab it. Look like him stab him up a taxi. Oh, God. Yo, me see the man I give him some. I don't know if I stab him or what and jump in the bus, you know. I see the man have the man down in the bush over there, just us. Yeah, no. In the rain here. So what's up, make? Yo, you see them man here, them man them head to Hot Star. Watch out them there, look.
I know, me can't.
I'm back clean, I'm here there.
So are the Jutc youth?
Mommy, alright?
Good morning, one and all. Please take note that JUTC has withdrawn their services. There was an altercation between a JUTC driver last night and a Duhenne Park taximan, and resulted for the taximan dying. So this morning, Duhenne Park has exacted that they want 4 drivers for the Duhenne Park taximan, and they have gone 1. Yeah, they have gone 1. So 1 JUTC driver died this morning. So now JUTC drivers are now withdrawing their services because they fear their life. Please take note, parents, pass on this message. If you hear something like this, you don't come and leave your child at the bus stop, looking at your child talking to her friend, and then drive back to your yard. How is that possible?
Let me bring some clarity to that voice note, because that individual who sent that voice note don't hear what is happening and don't understand either. They just talk a lot. Let me explain to you that the JUTC driver never just come out of any bus and stab up anybody. What happened is that the taximan said that the JUTC bad driving, cut in front of the bus and stop. He apparently licked the bus at licked the JUTC bus. So the driver came out to assess the damage of the bus and to see the damage that is on his taxi. Right? Altercation occur, some struggle, the man gets stabbed and him dead with him own knife. Right? And it is alleged that is not the driver of the JUTC bus stabbed him, but people are saying that it is him. But persons that were on the scene is saying it's not the JUTC driver. Now, for a reprisal, those men don't know nothing about the situation. Took it upon themselves to do whatever and kill the JUTC driver. Man who not have nothing to do with what happened. Nothing at all to do with what happened. Separate incident. You understand? So that man who sent that voice note don't know one crap where my chat say.
Welcome everybody. I just want to talk about this issue, this incident, for a little bit. So based on what has been said in these voice notes and the video, it seems that reprisal for the killing of the taximan was taken out against a JUTC driver who had nothing to do with the incident. So if this is the case, as I am suspecting, it is one of the most reckless things that people could have done. Yes, it is wrong for the taximan to have been killed, but from the voice note, it's kind of fuzzy as to who actually did the killing. So it might not be the JUTC driver who did the killing, and it was said that it was the man's own knife that killed him. So it would seem that he might have attacked whoever killed him, or attacked somebody close to whoever killed him. Anyway, that was wrong, because violence shouldn't be in this situation, because traffic accidents happen every single day. Nobody should be killed over a traffic accident. We're taking out reprisal against some unsuspecting driver who has nothing to do with the situation is beyond reckless and cannot be excused at any moment. JUTC isn't a gang. The drivers at JUTC aren't gang members. They don't all rally behind and defend a next driver because of some loyalty, some blood loyalty, or some jumping into a gang loyalty, or some oath that they took. These are people, a lot of them are poor people living in the ghetto. A lot of them are people just struggling to get by in life. Why would you attack a random person? That makes absolutely no sense. That is reckless. That is totally reckless and cannot be excused. Like it is crazy. Now, I have a bias in this because I have two close family members, brother and sister, who are JUTC bus drivers, and they have no affinity to the company. Just like everybody going into work and don't like them boss or what have you, and have issues with supervisor, and issues with pay and all of this, and want to get a different job and with better pay. These are the type of people we are dealing with. It's not a friggin' gang. It's not like the police who are, if one police gets killed, the other police are going to find whoever did it and them friends and kill them off. That is not the JUTC. This is just a regular job. There's no oath and license to kill in the JUTC. So why would somebody take out reprisal against some uninvolved driver? That makes no sense. People have to do better than that, man. Now for focus on the anger in the right place and focus on the energy in the right place. Not just do something will make the situation even worse and make you in the wrong now. Anyway, RIP to the man who lose him life. People we have to react better in a them situation. We have to understand say accident and them thing that happen. And everything we have to address using violence, and see this is the culture that we raise in. The abusive culture, we abuse children for everything, and then we grow up and we think that violence supposed to solve everything. That is what happened right also. You can't expect to teach people say violence fix everything, and then when them grow up and them exert that same energy they what them learn, that same teaching they now say it wrong. The whole culture of abuse is wrong. So I'm gonna repeat for the last time. We cannot as a culture raise children in a culture of violence. And I'm not talking about listening to violent music. I'm talking about parents being violent towards children. And I'm not talking about a one spanking or something. I'm talking about beating picnic for every little foolishness. That is violence that you're teaching the child. It is okay. That is okay for them to use violence to solve situations. These same children, they grow up And these are the things that they get involved in. This is the way them behave. Violent. Because we teach them, knock it in them head, we beat it in them, say, yo, you use violence to solve situations. Now this is simple, just insurance issues. And look, at 2 people now lose them life. Because we have the wrong concept of discipline, we have the wrong concept of what is violence and what is causing violence in our society. I'm just ranting.